Jim Bauer with PuroClean Restoration Specialists in Frisco, Texas. I wanted to talk for a second about not every restoration company is created equal. And when you've had a property damage situation or a calamity in your home, please take a few moments and research the companies that you are considering using. And not every company is the same. Some have been in business for months or years, or in our case, as we're entering our 10th year in business, we've accumulated a lot of wherewithal, a lot of technical skills, a lot of experiences. We have literally been there and done that in most cases. We know when it's in your home, it's a big deal. Every project is unique, and we understand that. But we have capabilities. We have all the vans right now are out. Our pickup trucks are out. This is our box truck that gives us tremendous carrying capacity if we need a lot of equipment or a lot of supplies moved to or from a project. And then we also have state-of-the-art equipment, drying equipment, almost 400 pieces. And that could include different size and capacity dehumidifiers, or also many different shape and size air movers, also air cleaning equipment, injection drying equipment, so all the specialty equipment that might be necessary to work on a project, we have got, and we've got it here in our warehouse ready to go. So if you've experienced a water damage emergency at your property, PuroClean Restoration Specialists, we can help.